don't take too much stress. Don't stress yourself too much. This is a common term which all the pregnant ladies have heard during their pregnancy. So is it just commonly said, or is there a scientific reason behind it? Yes, there is a scientific reason behind it. So let me explain you the reason behind this. See, when the mother takes too much stress, the cortisol level in the mother's body increases. Now, because of this cortisol, which is a stress hormone, the BP, the heart rate, everything in the mother's body, it increases. Now, you see how great the God is. When the mother's body is demanding so much of energy, the fetus inside will adjust in such a way that it will reduce its metabolic demands, so that the mother can cope up with the stress, and eventually when the mother is out of stress, the fetus and everything will be normal. So how does a fetus do this? See, here comes the most important reflex, that is the fear paralysis reflex. This is present from 5 to 8 weeks of gestation, like by the 5 to 8 weeks of pregnancy till 12 to 32 weeks. After that, its function is taken up by the sister reflex, that is the Moro reflex, which we have already discussed before. Now, because of this reflex, the baby freezes itself and the baby is always in that alert stage, so that the mother can cope up with the stress. But if the mother is constantly under stress during the pregnancy, then the fetus will also remain constantly in that flight and fight response, and the fetus will always remain in that freezing stage, which will hinder the normal development of the fetus. And eventually, it will cause this reflex to remain alert and active throughout that pregnancy period. So, FPR, that is the fear paralysis reflex, it won't integrate in its proper duration, and then its work won't be taken up timely by the Moro reflex, and eventually all the primitive reflex and its integration will not be done in a proper manner, leading to various issues in the developmental milestones. So what will be the signs if you see that the fear paralysis reflex is still present in a child? The child will be constantly under stress. You will see the freezing in the kids, phobias or obsessive compulsive disorders, many OCD kind of things you will see. The child will have problem in social interaction, in emotional regulation, and the child may have several behavioral issues as well. So now, how to integrate this if you see the signs in the child? Come, check out with me the exercises for the fear paralysis reflex integration. So the first exercise is the leg sliding. So you have to ask the child to sleep in a comfortable position, then bend the knee and ask the child to slide the heel as slow as the child can. If you think that the speed is too much, the parent can control the sliding movement by putting a hand in between and gradually guiding the slide when the child slides down. Now the second exercise will be the crisscross exercise. In this, you have to ask the child to lift the leg and cross it over the other leg. When you cross it, you have to keep it for at least 3 to 5 seconds and then change. This you have to repeat with both the legs, right and left, for at least 10 times in each leg. The third exercise is the rotation of the legs. So you have to just ask the child to keep the head in the neutral position and then shift the legs from right and then to the left side alternately, keeping the knees together. This also you have to repeat 10 times each side. Then the next one is the frog sliding. In this, both the knees will remain in the bent position and the child will slowly slide the heels down together. So you have to make sure that both the heels are together and the child slowly slides the legs down. So this is the main reason why the pregnant ladies are told not to take too much stress. So I hope now this is understood by everyone, and in case you have any queries, any doubts, please mail me on the given mail ID, and don't forget to hit the like button if you have liked the video, and please subscribe for more such informative videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.